El Nino, the powerful climate driver, is once again gathering strength in the Pacific, and scientists say the world should prepare. The World Meteorological Organization now puts the chances of El Nino emerging between June and August at 80%, with the likelihood climbing to around 90% later in the year. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres called the developing event an urgent climate warning.
The science is clear. El Niño is arriving on our doorstep in the coming months with 90% certainty. The world must treat it as the urgent climate warning it is. El Niño conditions will pour fuel on the fire of a warming world. Impacts will hit even harder, travel even further, and cross borders with devastating speed.
The naturally occurring climate pattern begins in the tropical Pacific, but its effects rarely stay there. From droughts and heat waves to floods and damaging storms, El Nino has a history of reshaping weather patterns across continents. The UN Weather Agency warns even a moderate El Nino can increase the odds of weather extremes.
In general, El Niño causes global warming, even if temporary. Very often, after an El Niño event, the most recent being in 2023, the following year was the hottest on record, 2024. And overall, global temperatures are expected to be high.
Forecasts suggest temperatures will run above normal across much of the globe through the northern hemisphere summer. Regional forecasts already point to the below-average monsoon rainfall across parts of South Asia, drier conditions in Central America, and reduced rainfall in parts of the Horn of Africa. At the same time, southern regions of South America could face heavier rains, the concern especially acute in Brazil's Rio Grande do Sul, where catastrophic floods in 2024 killed at least 180 people and displaced hundreds of thousands. Climate scientists are urging authorities to prepare now.
What we are seeing is that this El Niño is expected to be strong, even very strong, especially in the second half of the year, breaking records in September, October, and November. Therefore, all of southern Brazil, particularly Rio Grande do Sul and Santa Catarina, must be very prepared for the possibility of heavy rainfall.
Forecasters caution that questions remain about how strong this El Nino will ultimately become, but with ocean temperatures already running unusually high, the climate phenomenon is capable of reshaping seasons, harvests, and disaster risks around the world.